All right, well, starting a new journey, looking to upgrade my Java 6 certification to, which actually was in 2013, so even then it was a bit outdated, to Java 11 certification this year. So first thing I'm starting to study are lambda functions. You can see in this REPL, which I'll link to on a YouTube video, I've got import java util.function, and I guess I don't need that because I've just imported everything for util. But let's see it run. So if we go over here, java c student.java, then java student. All right, we can see, actually I had to put in some print statements because I was feeling a bit insecure, something wasn't working. But I've got my class student with a name and a GPA. So here's my constructor. And here I'm going to have a method to determine if they have a good GPA or not, with the cutoff being 2.5. If they do, then it's good. Otherwise, it's false. Now I get into actually getting to some lambda functions. I see I have a student's array list. I can add Joe, who has a 1.0. I can add Homer, who has a 4.0. And then I'm going to send to this static function students and the actual behavior that I want, the predicate. Okay? So I'm going to send in, does the student have a good GPA? So when this is being called, this is what's happening. So it's a bit of syntactic sugar, right? So we're going to loop through for student S within students if checker.test, okay, and checker is just what I'm calling my predicate, S, which is the particular student we're on. If that is true, then say, all right, this name has a good GPA. So I gave Homer a 4.0, Joe a 1.0. If I give them both less than 2.5 and I run it, I just won't see any output. Okay, so this is a pretty cool introduction. I also read through a Geeks for Geeks example, and here we're going to check some numbers. So I'm going to type out predicate interface example 1. And then I'll just run through interface example. Okay, we see we're going to go I, well, I is less than 18, send in 10. Is that true? Yes. Send in 19. And we see it's false. 19 is not less than 18. All right. A lot of fun. Good night.